How to fix TikTok Shop not showing. Let's get started. First up, make sure you are eligible for getting access to TikTok Shop. There are some criteria to have access to TikTok Shop. To check that, you can launch your preferred browser. Then you can type in TikTok Shop criteria and then search for it. So here are some requirements to be eligible to join TikTok Shop. If you fulfill all these, you will be good to go. You'll get access to TikTok Shop. Launch your TikTok app. Navigate to the profile page, then click on three bars given at the top right corner. Navigate to the option TikTok Studio, and over here you will find the option of TikTok Shop. If you're eligible and still you cannot access to TikTok Shop, what you have to do is head back, close this, launch your App Store or Play Store, then search for the app TikTok. After app appears, you'll find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. With that, your problem might be resolved. If still you are not getting the option of TikTok Shop, what you have to do is launch your TikTok app again, navigate to the profile page, click on three bars, click on the option Settings and Privacy, scroll all the way down, click on Report a Problem, scroll down, click on the option Chat with Us. You'll be directed to this page. At the bottom, you'll see the message box. Here you can briefly explain about the issue that you are eligible to get access to TikTok Shop, but still you cannot access to TikTok Shop and send it. By following all the solution, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix TikTok Shop not showing. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.